Vanakkam and welcome to Sonia Simple Solutions. We are going to make white sauce pasta. So we need spaghetti and we need milk, we need salt, we need Italian seasoning, Amul cream, butter and wheat flour or maida flour. So basically we need to boil water. Make sure you pour 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil and with half teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Keep it in a full flame and now put your spaghetti. This is a long noodle kind of pasta. It is called spaghetti. You can put any kind of pasta as you wish, but basically spaghetti will taste better. That's what I feel, but it's up to you, no problem. So now put the pasta and use this kind of a spatula. It will be easier. And slowly, it looks as if the pasta is taking bath in a hot tub. So slowly it will automatically go inside, but if you want to push, you can push it to bottom. So basically you can see now all the pasta came inside the pan. Now make it, just slowly mix it up so that the oil will go in between the pasta so that it will not let it stick to each other. And slowly 1 to 2 minutes, just give it a small stir, like a gentle stir. Yeah. And just let it boil, let it cook. Use this kind of a spatula, it will be easier. So now after you have done all this, now take another pan, keep it sim or medium, like between sim to medium or sim, okay? And add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 blob of butter, say 1 to 2 teaspoons of butter. Don't put ghee, the taste will change. So take butter. Now add chili, 1 teaspoon of chili and 1 powder and 1 teaspoon of 1 to 2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add like half cup of milk and slowly stir it until it boil up. Slowly you can stir since it is sim. Since the stove is in the sim, you don't have to worry much. Just slowly give it a stir. Now you can see that it has come slowly into a boil. Now add cream, the Amul cream, and add your Italian seasoning. Make sure you have added all your ingredients because the ingredients adding up is done. Your wheat flour, 1 spoon of wheat flour or maida flour, anything, or all-purpose flour. So everything you should add, make sure. And now you have to wait for it to boil. Once the small bubbles come up, now slowly start stirring and you can see it's changing into a saucy consistency. So slowly give it a stir and add salt and chili powder according to your spice taste or spice level. You can add even chili flakes if you want. You can add even pepper powder, white pepper or black pepper powder if you want. Now make sure your pasta is cooked. It is called al dente in the chef's language. But if you want to just take one pasta, put it in your mouth and see what kind of consistency you want. Some people prefer it chewy, some people prefer it soft. So however you want, you can make it. So then just give it a stir. Make sure your stove is in sim. If this sauce gets thicker and thicker, add milk if you want, or add the pasta water which was used for cooking the pasta. Add that pasta water also, so that the saucy consistency will stay, because this sauce will get thicker and thicker as time goes. So after that, put it in a plate, not in a cup, because the sauce will go down. So put it in a plate and pour the sauce and serve it up hot. Enjoy. Thank you.